Thank you so much. And next we'll hear from Jenny Hobbs, who is a hero in the disability community, and I'll let her speak for herself.
Good afternoon. Thank you for having me here today. My name is Jenny Hobbs from Winston-Salem. I come to you today not just as the mom of Melanie, Michael, Meredith, and Madison, but also as the co-founder and current board chair of Advocates for Medically Fragile Kids. All of the thousands of children and families we represent, please hear their stories through me today. Our state has not been supporting all of our families well, as evidenced by over 19,700 people waiting for an innovations waiver slot, resulting in waiting times of 12 to 15 years for services and supports, which is essentially a child's entire life. Some high medical need children may be eligible for the CAPC program, Community Alternatives Program for Children, but qualifying for that service is a high bar. 1915I services have helped bridge the gap for some individuals while waiting for the more permanent innovation slot, but household income is considered for these services. Without the waiving of parent income, as some home and community-based services like CAPC and Innovations allow, many children are adults before they become eligible. This misses the crucial developmental period for children, which means they will need even more support as adults. Since October 1st, the NC Medicaid provider rate cuts that were made as a result of inadequate Medicaid funding for the year have meant even lower wages for all of those caring for our kids, not just in our homes, but in their therapy clinics, pediatricians' offices, and specialty provider offices, including things like equipment and supplies. Wait times have gotten longer, and some of us have services that have been stopped altogether because it's just not possible to find willing providers, or we end up just getting less staffing. We are trying to make plans and build a life with and for all of our kids, and some of them need the extra help that Medicaid offers. Without consistent, stable, full funding of Medicaid, these plans are in jeopardy. We are doing everything we can and are committed to fighting for what our kids need at all ages and stages, but we can't do it alone. Thank you.